To clean a main brush in Eufy C10, first of all you will need to remove it, so flip your robot upside down and then click on those two buttons right here, or clips, until the slot is opened. It's really hard to open it, so you need to use some force. Then we can remove our brush by picking up like this. Next step, if your brush is dirty, for example there's a dust or something on it, I wouldn't recommend using a water on it, and the reason is that the brushes may get very still when you use a water, and then it will be hard to clean with it. They will just go everywhere. So what you can do is grab something like a cloth, for example I think I have one right here, and then use this cloth without any water to just swipe on the brush like this, and that should fix or clean your brush. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video please consider subscribing.